por baman kasngi. Awan lam shipi da unang yanam ni.
This whole token of our symbolic being a Jain person, that is our chicken we have used to wear. Sri Titi Sama by Pierre Law, Sri S.M. by Pynkup, Sri
Respected Deputy Chief Ministers, Pakistan Kinsong and Mas Nyamala Dhar, our officials from the Transport Department who are present out here, all the members of the Joint Action Committee and the different associations, and all my dear friends who have joined us here to be part of this felicitation program. Ngai kublai JAC Joint Action Committee nakabinta program. I would like to thank the Joint Action Committee for organizing this wonderful felicitation program for the Honorable Deputy Chief Ministers and myself and the government at large. It always happens, and we are quite used to it, that there is always expectation from leadership and from government. But after the expectation is met, or rather let me go one step back, that before the expectation is met, then the politicians are the biggest enemy and the biggest villain in the state. I remember as a small child, my late father was the labor minister, and there was a large group of association and laborers who had come and gathered outside our house. I was very small, and they were shouting slogans against my father because there was a demand which at that point could not be met. And then after that program was going on, so my brother and myself, we didn't know what was the purpose. So we also went and joined the association, and we were also shouting. And I remember the slogan that was put against my father, and we also were shouting. The slogan was, P.A. Sarma ki dawai, jute chappal aur pitai. So this is what politicians are used to. And we were very small, as I said, from that time we saw this. So for those who didn't understand Hindi, P.A. Sangma ki dabai means P.A. Sangma's medicine. For P.A. Sangma is jute chappal or pitai. Means juta se chappal, you will beat him up. So that is his medicine. So that's what politicians' life is. But it is rare and very, very rare that politicians are appreciated sometimes and felicitated by those who have benefited from the decisions that have been made. And I must put my sense of appreciation along with my colleagues. And that's the reason I took a special lesson in Khasi to thank you in Khasi, in our official language, to let you know that we sincerely appreciate this felicitation program. It means a lot to us. Because as I said, we work day and night When the problem is there, we are the biggest villain, and when we solve the problem, nobody bothers. But it is rare, and I'm very thankful to you for organizing this program. There was some opposition, political parties, some individuals, some people who are very critical of the government. They question the vision that we had. And they always used to say that this government is talking about a $10 billion economy. What is this $10 billion economy? The government talks about the largest stadium in the country. What will we do in the largest stadium in the country? The government talks about 21,000, 24,000 crore expressway connecting Umyam to Ratachera and Silchar. What will we do with 24,000 crore of thing? So this government is only bothered about big projects, only thinking about the large development, while common people are suffering. And I thought that this may be the correct moment to correct and to reply to those people. That for the government, development process is a whole picture in front of us. While we need infrastructure, while we need the big roads, while we need big buildings, we need the new secretariat, all of this development must go along with the development and the change in every citizen's life. So it is not just big projects. It is the impact we will have in every citizen's life. Because those critics don't talk about the other things we do. If you did not organize this felicitation program, I think the whole state would not know that it is this NPP-led government, as Mas Nyoba has mentioned, puts people first. Do you think it's an easy decision for us to let 1,000 crore just right off? It is not. Because it is the same 1,000 crores which will help us pay the salaries of teachers, help our farmers, build different roads. Revenue is important for us. But this government realized that thousands and lakhs of families are affected because of this particular decision. Close to 60,000 truck owners and drivers are impacted by this.
Banyo iki kuwan paman kesni, subscribe ika channel Ulong Yelang News.